about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distraction.
Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, or good night, depending on what time you're watching this. Welcome back to my channel. I figured I'd make kind of like a little vlog for you guys, just to kind of walk you through my day a little bit and just kind of switch things up and kind of try out different like video formats. So for today, I don't have too much going on. I do, but I kind of don't. I just woke up and I brushed my teeth and everything. I'm about to have some breakfast. Okay, I'm starving. Let's go get some food first because okay, wait, I almost forgot to show you guys. It's my brother's birthday today. I have to be a little quiet because he's still sleeping. But it's his birthday. He is turning 21, which is absolutely insane. I feel like I just turned 21, so how is he 21? This is a super cute picture of us when we were little, eating our favorite food ever, Chavez Portuguese rolls. If you know, you know. But yeah, we just have this cute little setup for him. And yeah, happy birthday, Andrew. I love you. I'm currently editing the video and I totally forgot to even like record or say what kind of mask I'm using or say what I did for whatever reason. But it's just a homemade mask that I make at home. I make them all the time, and I love making homemade masks, especially when I'm in a bind and I don't have any masks at home, but I know my skin like wants a good mask. There's so many things that you can utilize from your kitchen and your backyard. So let me know down below if you guys are interested in like a DIY homemade skincare mask. I would love to make that video for you guys because there's so many different things, like I said, that you can use. So yeah, I'm so sorry I didn't include that in the video, but it was just basically a really simple mask that you can make at home if you have spirulina, manuka honey, and avocado oil, or different variations of each one of those. And then you just mix it all together. I kind of just eyeball everything. I'll try to get measurements for you guys next time, but usually I just eyeball everything until it's a consistency that I prefer. And yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys would be interested in one video just dedicated to like DIY homemade skincare masks. Okay, bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Shout out to Liz for this lip scrub, for putting me on. Liz, I've had this for ever since that time that we bought it. I don't know how long ago that was, but I still love it. It's great.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make.
Okay guys, so I just came up with this really funny but kind of cheesy idea for this summer video that I'm filming. So since it's summer related, got the summer hat, the bikini, the cover up and everything. Disregard my room. I still need to clean, but yeah, I'm gonna go film that right now and then I'll catch up with you guys later. Peace. So this is the remote, like I showed you guys in the first video. And then here's my phone. It's currently charging right now, that's why you see this wire. But you don't have to have it connected to anything because this remote is essentially completely Bluetooth, so it's all wire free. But then as you can see, the camera app is already open, and then anytime I press this button, it takes the picture. So I'll usually hide it like behind my bag like this, or in my hair. Or you could stand far away, you could stand super close. Yeah, you can take as many pictures as you want and it'll keep going. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly show that to you guys since I'm actually using it right now.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
So I'm just getting ready for bed, and I just wanted to quickly say that those cookies I made earlier for my brother's birthday were bomb. I made like 7, 12 plus 18. I made 18 cookies. So I made 18 cookies and there's only 3 left. So you know they were good. And I haven't made them in literally the longest time. I used to make them all the time in high school, but I think the last time I made them was maybe like 2 years ago. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm not really gonna do anything else for the day except for grab some water, brush my teeth, probably just chill and watch some Netflix. I haven't watched Netflix in such a long time, so catch up on a few shows. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was kind of like a nice day of my life, quarantine day of my life when I'm not working. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm trying to figure out like my schedule for posting videos and filming and everything like that. I'm going to try to post at least once a week. I'm trying to aim for 2, but right now I'm kind of just trying to get the gist of things and to plan the video, film the video, and edit the video and put up the video. So there's a lot of behind the scenes that goes into it, so definitely stay tuned for more videos. Let me know if you guys kind of like these vlog style videos, or if you prefer like talking head videos, like different formats. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are almost at 100 subscribers, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.